Vikings, welcome to another school year. As we embark on this new school year, you'll notice there's a lot of changes here for the 23-24 school year. One of our buildings is no longer here. But with that being said, we'll have lots of construction in this area right up front. So as you can see, this area is a no parking, no driving zone. This is going to cause one slight change as we move forward. This no longer up here on East Hall Road, the front entrance where the guard check used to be, is no longer an entrance for anybody to turn into. From now on, if you're going onto East Hall campus, you'll come through East Hall Road and make a right on East Hall Drive, or you can make a left on East Hall Drive and then work your way to the school from the back. You'll drive past the PAC. Student drop-off and pickup will still remain the same right here in front of the gym. And if you do want to park and come see the front office, you can still park in our limited spaces as you see here. But the biggest thing is there's no entryway here. You can exit this way only. So with that being said, one quick reminder, there's no entry in the front. When you're coming on East Hall Road, you'll come past the PAC. Going drop off and pickup will still be in the front of the gym. And you can still park up here to see the front office, but you may only exit out the front. We look forward to an exciting school year. Thank you for all your understanding. We can't wait to get this new building up and ready to go. And we'll have two brand new buildings as we get to rebuild and rebrand East Hall High School.